Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, Coinbase and Binance have actually added Tectonic token on their watch list. Now, Crypto.com actually hosted this coin and they listed this coin. Now, VBS Finance have also listed Tectonic token. In fact, Tectonic token is being traded more on VBS Finance. Yesterday, VBS Finance was actually controlling about almost 74% of Tectonic token volume. Now, Coinbase and Binance might be working and listing Tectonic token. And if that happens, Tectonic token might be deleting between 1 or 2 zeros. And this coin can even hit 100,000% increase in price very soon. Now, the coin actually started pumping from the beginning of the year. And I love the fact that just 1 year, after 1 year, this coin have really done well. Tectonic token have gained a lot in terms of social media. They are also deleted a zero last year, and I believe this year, this coin, the second year for Tectonic Classic, might be seeing Tectonic Classic deleting between 1 or 2 or 3 zeros. But know the fact that if Binance, if Coinbase can actually come in to support and list this coin is going to become one of the biggest small cap coin of 2023. I know that yes, and it is possible. We might wake up tomorrow, we hear the news that Binance actually listed this coin. Coinbase have actually listed this coin. But the fact remains, this coin started this year with an impressive. This coin started this year really started pumping in terms of price, in terms of market cap, and I believe if the developers can keep working harder on this coin, especially in the area of burning and destroying Tectonic token coins, but we're seeing this coin to the moon. Yes, and I believe this coin can even hit and make a lot of its owners millionaires. But let's keep hoping to see that this coin becomes the biggest coin, and let's hope that this year becomes a bullish year for crypto industry. Once again, remember this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.